Alright, guys, welcome back to Nightmare Mangle has entered the game. Oh! Hello, everyone, and welcome to Nuclear Nachos Plays Pizza Tower with the Noise. Now, if you remember last video, we fought the Doys, and that was great, but then he is dead. But I looked up a few tricks and, like, some stuff with the Doys, so we're gonna try that out before we do the floor 4 stuff. So, first, I think if you just taunt on him, something happens. Haha, we have done the ritual to bring the Doys back. Right? Yeah! He's like, wasn't this guy dead 2 seconds ago? Yeah! Oh my gosh, I hate this guy. I'm glad he's dead. What? Are you kidding me? I hate stuff like that. Why didn't he turn around? Uh-huh. Are you what the hell? Oh, die. Alright, I'm spamming the taunt button to see if there's a moment where I'm supposed to do something. No! What? How do you get the Doys costume then? Because that's what this is what this whole thing is about. Yeah, shut up. Shut up. I don't care. That was a waste of everyone's time. No, don't go back in. All right, now we're at floor. Oh, I forgot about Snotty. I don't want to kill him this time. I want to be a good Samaritan, which is very out of character. I guess we'll just do this one. I don't like that. Wait, there's a bandage there. That must mean it's a secret. Oh, it actually was. Oh, that's the lap 2 portal. I thought it was going to be nothing, to be honest. Oh, wait, what is, oh, ugh, oh, oh. Okay, I saw art of this, of cheese. No, oh my gosh, that's amazing. I see an art of this, but I didn't think it was like a real thing. I thought it was just people did it to be funny. Oh, hey. Oh, come on. Yeah. Wait, why was there a copy of Pizza Tower in the trash? Oh, he can just walk up walls. Oh, that's so much nicer than Peppino's then. Nice. Why does the Peppino down there look like Anton from Anton Blast? Hey! Oh. Oh, yeah, I have no clue where Jerome's at. Isn't there something down here if I, like, go all the way? Oh, come on! There we go. Wait, is this just the normal mode? I thought the other path was the normal path. That's why I came down here! Whatever. Yay! I really thought we weren't gonna get that one, honestly. Yahoo! Yahoo! Hey, that's about as good as we get these days. Oh, what? How did I miss one? Are you kidding me? No! Stop going back in the door. What? Why do I have a bucket of water? Ouch. Wah! Yeah! Okay, oh, those are some pretty cool moves. I'm still wondering what the bottle... What? I literally... Wait, what? I was literally saying, I wonder what the bucket of water is for. And then that just happened. Alright, well, I don't have it anymore, so... Ah, yeah, now this is the music I like. Shut up, baby! Hang on. Hang on! Let me... Like... Yeah, no wonder I miss everything. It's because just keep going in doors I don't want to go in. Why is it that when he gets pulled up, he just has a full existential dread? Jerome! How do I get over there? How the Yes! Gosh! Alright! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Kind of loses the theming a bit, but hey, that's so cool. It reminds me of Mario Luigi Bowser's Inside Story, where Luigi just hits Mario with a hammer and shrinks him by doing that. Oh yeah. Ah no, I got bamboozled. So I guess the bucket of water we had, it just made it so anytime we got like, if we got electrocuted once, we had like one safety, and then it was gone. So I don't know if maybe there's like stop. So I don't know if there was something we were supposed to use that water bucket for, but like it's because it seems kind of random to just give that to us like now. Like what's the? Oh, he's so quick. He goes for the gaps. Oh my gosh, the top corner. Never mind. Ah, dang it. I forgot about the that secret. Oh, now we can get it because we're big. Yeah, look at this tiny screen. Okay. I'm not good at this one. Yeah, I'm not falling for that trickery. Wait, no, that's the lap 2 portal. That's not what we want. It's definitely not what we want. We need... Yeah, we need to go through here and get the, Jerome's secret door. There we go. Hot dog, chili dog, whatever. Oh, dang, I have a 40 combo? Nice. Oh, I was going to get some more points, but whatever, that's fine. Alright, a solid effort. Now I'm talking like Hattie. How did I miss another item? We're not... I don't want to replay these levels. I mean, they're fun. They're definitely fun. I don't know. Just sometimes I'm just like... So we got 2 levels, the Pig City and Refrigerator Freezer Town. I like how... Wow, really has to put the noise's face over the noise. Is this just the Lap 2 portal? Or isn't this where the prickle guy is? Yeah. Hey, look, there I am on TV. Oh. Yeah, okay. Alright. Oh, that's Lap 2. Alright. Woo! Oh, God. Oh, you can actually move up. I like that all of Noise's transformations are actually, like, different. Get in! That's awesome. Okay, seriously, how has no one made a Friday Night Funkin' mod about this guy yet? Okie dokie, so woohoo! Ah, we're cruising! Ah, no, there's gotta be something we forgot. Nope, nothing really. Oh, yes, we did this. Yeah. Yeah, you're coming with me. Oh, we got them both. Woohoo! Oh gosh, he's still on me. Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! Oh gosh, he just gets flung. Yeah. Out of my way, guys. Don't you know I'm the noise? I'm so powerful and noise-like. Well, that's one way. Yeah! I like how Noise just has a gun for the sake of the plot. See, I know this one, you don't want to get in there, because you want to find the bacon secret. Yes. This looks a bit different than it did last time. Yes. Give me the bacon. Wait, no! Oh, now it's gonna do the thing again. Ah, yes. The bacon. That Noise loves bacon. Yes. This is what the Noise talks like. Alright, time lapse. Oh. Good. Actually. Oh! Okay, so it's not a smile, it's just a surprised look. I don't know if that usually happens with Peppino. I don't really want to check. Alright, let's get arrested. He's like, oh. Oh, hey! Alright, everyone, remember that for next time. Up. And... oh, what? Why do you do jazz hands? Whoa! Wasn't expecting that guy. Now, is there a reason why he has these, like, blue industrial gloves? Okay, so there was... I thought there was something down there. There wasn't. You know, because doesn't the original Doise concept art, he has blue gloves? So if you get, like, a proper Doise attire, maybe that would work. Oh, but maybe it's a color match thing, so it'd probably be pink gloves. Ah, I didn't get Pizza Jones! Ah, there's Jerome. So yeah, when we stop playing as the Noise and turn into the Noise, we can get Jerome's locker treasure. Wait a minute! Yahoo! We got all the secrets. I love that Noise has a lot of like recovery moves. Like some of Peppino's actions are more satisfying, but like I feel like with noise, you can do a lot more to get out of precarious situations. Aye, we got brick, kinda. Bam! Alright, let's get out of here. Oh yeah, brick's just there occasionally. Haha, check out that now. No, let's try to be epic speedrunner guy right here. Yeah. Yeah, look at me jump. Look at these moves. Yeah, we're cruising. I don't need that. We're dashing. We're dashing today. All right. It's the noise. Don't go in. Let's get janitor time. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, why is everything on fire? Are things usually on fire? I know things like go crazy, but I didn't think they were actually on fire. What in the? No. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yahoo! Alright, that was a great one. I love the Pig City. It's a nice level. Alright. One of the best iconic levels. Oh, gosh, he's cold. Oh. Hold in the air to spin. Wow, forget, wow, forget, like... Oops. It really makes it so, like, Peppino struggles with, like, everything, and he has to do what he can to make things work. Then the noise just does anything he wants. No wonder, like, the noise and Peppino would hate each other. Peppino would hate how the noise can do anything, and the noise would be annoyed that Peppino doesn't just do stuff like he does. It's like, yeah, that dice level was pretty hard. It's like, yeah, well, I just took the super beer. I took the beer. You just drank beer to get by it? Yeah, why didn't you do that? You don't do that. Ah, well, that sounds stupid on your part. Man, I love Pizza Tower. Whoa, whoa, get the tomato, then go right into the eye. I feel like I missed something. Well, now we can investigate. Yeah, what's down here? Huh? That's what I thought. You are holding out on me. Wait, what? The ice is frozen. This is reminding me of like Mario 64 DS type stuff. Okay, I guess we're not supposed to be here. Cause like, I mean though, the pizza time gates are there. But yeah, I assume we melt stuff and then we go back. I don't know if that was a thing in the normal level. I don't remember. Yeah, I mean, there's stuff there. I mean, we're probably supposed to do this on the way back. But who cares? Noise plays by his own rules. Alright, nope, we're just back at the beginning for no reason. The sound the ketchup makes. There we go. Whoops. Haha. That was wait, what? This is still melted? Ah! Why is everything I do so stupid today? Oh. I guess this then. I actually was wondering if this level even had a B-side theme. Because I didn't remember it at all, but I guess it does. I don't recognize this at all, though. Oh yeah, there's Jerome. Because I believe this is like one of the easiest ones for him. I don't remember if we passed his thing yet, but... Heh. Finally, a good place to use that! Yeah, melty time. Alright, how does this work? Ah! Oh. So, yeah, we already could do that. So what, he's just Anton mode and nothing else? Oh ho! That, alright, that changes things. Yeah, out of my way, peasants. Flames! Flames everywhere! Oh. Alright, time to go. Oh, there we go. I'm pretty sure we only got one secret, but that's life. I'll probably do maybe I don't know if before the finale or like maybe I'll do all the levels for part 5 in the 5th floor, but then before the final boss have a 6th part of me like going back and getting all the stuff that needs to be done to get the like truer ending. I mean, not that that's super imperative, but you know, it could be fun. I do want to make sure we get Jerome at least though, cuz like come on. I know he's going to be yeah, I was like I knew he was up high like here. And it's just like the ice cream sandwich, right? Yeah, because this is the one that everyone gets, because it's like, it's Jerome nor the door is hidden, like, at all. So it was like one of the later ones that everyone got. Oh ho ho! Yeah, yeah. Santa, don't you get it? Your minions do nothing. Oh. Are you kidding me? How do I keep missing them? Oh. Wow. Barely made it. Oh my gosh. That's all my money. Ah. Ugh. Yep. There. The man, him, not self. Wow. So this poses an interesting question. Since it's fake Peppino, are his colors just going to be the regular white because we're the noise? I guess we'll see. Let's go back to traditional noise colors, actually. Oh, right, I forgot about this. What was this? By slipping a banana 10 times in a playthrough. Ah, that's a silly one. I like that. Yeah, let's just do classic noise for the boss fight. Even though, I don't know, maybe if you, like, have... No, I don't want that. Like, maybe if you do, like, colors, that's when it changes. Otherwise, it's just normal. I'm sure we'll find out at some point. Oh, okay, so it's right away. That'd have been kind of funny if it was, like, versus Peppino standard. Alright, what's going on? Ah, that's awesome. He also... Alright, let's just restart. Oh, I love this. Just, but I love how that's awesome. How the intro, he also does his own like fake Peppino. I like this. This is already a lot better than playing as Peppino. Down, 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 down. Yeah. Okay, that part's a bit it's a bit harder. Okay, so the bombs don't really affect him when he's like that. Oh, well, okay, well, he's slowed down already. Noise versus Peppino, but it's actually a fake imposter. It's the Noise versus Peppino, but there's something not quite right about the situation. No! Dang it. Oh, I was just trying to taunt to be funny, not to... I forgot all the controls for some reason. Yeah, take that. I don't know what my plan is for that was. Yahoo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, and then he's gonna appear right there. Ah! Ooh. No! Whoa! Ah! No! Why? I turned... What? What? Okay. Da-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na. And... Da-na-na. Ah! There we go. Ah! Da-na-na-na-na-na. There we go. Alright. Ah! Gosh dang it. Oh, I always hated that move on P rank. Because it's so hard to, like, do without getting hit. Come on. Yep! Ah! Alright. Ah. I think you could P rank that pretty easily, though. Also, I like how... Oh, gosh! Ah! Okay, because I'm on the internet, I obviously knew that was an Easter egg that happened, but I didn't know he just screamed like that intensely about it. But it's really cool though that because of that, Fake Peppino's actually like super fast. So it makes the chase scene more fun without it being dangerous. Alright, I bet I could P rank that at least a lot easier than Peppino. But like, just flubbed up a bit. At least we got A. Alright. No, don't. Don't go back. No. Oh wait, it just says Peppino. I just realized that. Is that like the joke? That like the Noise can't tell the difference. He's just like, yep, you look as ugly as I remember you looking. Oh wait, Noisette's Cafe. Isn't that here? Oh wait, no, it's at the bottom. I remember. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. It's exactly the same. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter, but like, that would have been kind of cool. Alright, I don't know exactly when part 5 will come out, so let's just check out the 5th floor. Alright. Looks typical. You know, you really could lose some weight. Wow. Oh. Alright, yep. Everything seems to be standard affair. He's still mad at us. See, I really do it really makes me think, like, I can so imagine a vigilante mode. That would be pretty cool. Then, of course, got that. How much do I need? 210. So, well, we'll see. That's awesome. Alright, I think that's going to end it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.